Boarding day is finally here. The excitement is real. But if you're not prepared, embarkation day can get a little overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the must-know tips to make your cruise boarding day smooth, stress-free, and fun. From important documents to time-saving hacks, let's make sure you start your vacation the right way. Let's dive into this. Number 1, have your documents ready. First things first, guys, without the right documents, there is no cruise. Make sure you have your passport, boarding pass, and any required visas ready to go. Make sure your expiration dates follow the cruise guidelines. Passports have to be valid 6 months after your cruise ends. Keep these in your carry-on bag, not your checked luggage. You'll need them before you even get on the ship. Number 2, pick an early check-in time. Check-in times open up around 45 days before your cruise. Side note, this may vary depending on the cruise line. But if you can, grab an early time. Why, you ask? Because the sooner you're on board, the sooner your vacation begins. You get extra time to explore, grab lunch, beat the crowds, and just soak it all in. Number 3, drop off your luggage with the porters. Once you arrive, you'll see porters waiting to take your large luggage. Make sure your bags have the cruise line's luggage tags attached so that way they can get delivered to your cabin. Although you may be able to get it at the pier, but that is valuable time wasting trying to get one and attach to each piece of luggage. Remember to keep a small carry-on with essentials like medications, electronics, a change of clothes, and your documents. Number 4, complete your e-muster drill ASAP. The e-muster drill is super easy now. As with Royal Caribbean, you are able to watch the safety video on the app straight off your phone. And once you get on board, you can go to your assigned location to verify that you have completed the e-muster drill. Get it done as soon as you board the ship so you don't have to worry about it later. Trust me, you don't want to be that person holding up sail away. Number 5, make dining reservations. If your ship has specialty dining or my time dining, now's the time to lock in those reservation times. Popular restaurants fill up fast, so secure your spots early if you want a special night out. Also, if you have any special requests like a table for 2 or a table in the corner somewhere, now is the time to go ahead and put in that request before the lines get busy. Number 6, register the kids for the kids club. If you have little cruisers, head to the kids club to sign them up. You'll meet the crew, go over safety protocols, and ask any questions that you may have. Doing this on day 1 saves time later, so you're not stuck in a long line when you actually want to drop them off. Number 7, check out your cabin. Once cabins are ready, which is normally around 1 o'clock or so for Royal Caribbean, head up and check out your room. Unpack a little, stash your valuables in the safe, and disinfect your room, wiping down all high-touch point surface areas. Meet your cabin attendant and put in any special requests you may have. For example, requesting any robes, requesting any pillow tops for your mattress, anything of that nature. Remember, you'll be calling this place home for the next few days, and you want it to be comfortable. Number 8, take a spa tour. Even if you're not planning on a spa day, embarkation day is the perfect time for a spa tour. You can check out the facilities, enter the raffles that they have, and maybe even snag a special discount for treatments during your cruise. Number 9, take your seasickness medication. If you're someone who is prone to motion sickness, you don't want to wait until you feel bad to do anything about it. Stay ahead of it. Take your medication, put on your sea bands, put on your patches before the ship starts moving. Prevention is key. Number 10, put your phone in airplane mode. Before you even leave the port, put your phone, tablets, smartwatches, any electronical device that requires a cell service to airplane mode. International roaming at sea is no joke, and you don't want to come home to a massive phone bill. Last but not least, get ready for the sail away party. Now the fun really begins. Head up to the top decks, grab a drink of your choice, and enjoy the energy of sail away. It's the best way to kick off your vacation. And there you have it, your boarding day done right. Follow these tips and your embarkation day will be stress-free and smooth sailing. Drop a comment and let me know your best cruise boarding day tip. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise travel content. As always, stay well and stay savvy.